Now, even small oil and gas operations produced waste that can harm the environment.
The drive to drill more wells has producers looking for ways to make the process more efficient and profitable. Fields Mosley has been looking into new technology developed here in Utah. And Fields, does that mean it's also more environmentally friendly?
Well, Purestream Technology certainly has the potential to be more environmentally friendly. A lot of people probably don't realize it, but when energy companies dig holes in the ground, a lot more comes out than just oil and gas. In particular, you have wastewater that comes out with oils, minerals, and a bunch of other stuff that you don't want to just dump on the ground. These ponds sit in the desert near Moab, designed to be filled with thousands of gallons of wastewater produced by the ever-increasing number of natural gas wells across Utah and Colorado. The facility is called Danish Flats.
Contained in that water are heavy salts we call brine.
Neil Richardson is CEO of a Utah company called Purestream Technology. Normally those salts, minerals, and leftover oil would sit in the pond as the water evaporated. Richardson says their technology can clean up the process.
And we've made a really efficient way to evaporate water.
Of course, it's more complicated than that. This large box is the size of a shipping container, and when in the field, it sits with several other boxes and tanks to make up Trilogy, which is now in use at Danish Flats. They use a heating process in these tanks to separate the waste from the water, and some of the waste can be sold.
In the past has been lost revenue.
More importantly, the system is closed, meaning no noxious gases dirtying the air. And the excess heat fires a turbine, and the now clean water goes back into the air as steam.
We're better than the standard drinking water in the United States.
Utah State University scientists found the water was about 10 times cleaner than the air quality standard, and there is extra heat that could be used to generate power.
Purestream shows great promise for keeping emissions low.
The Trilogy system is designed to be used at the well. Wastewater is now trucked to places like Danish Flats or to an injection well, and those send the dirty water miles into the earth. In fact, people have questioned the long-term effect the dirty water might have on groundwater. And in the Dallas area, scientists suspect the water pressure from one well caused almost 200 small earthquakes.
I believe this is a part of the future.
Richardson believes we are on the verge of switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind. But natural gas is part of the equation, and as long as we need it, the operation should be as clean and efficient as possible.
We can do a better job of being better custodians of our environment.
So instead of burning off that oil, or that water rather, as steam, it is clean enough. It could be used as a secondary water system, even clean enough to drink if that was necessary. Now, energy companies, they are not just looking at this so they're complying with environmental regulations. If they can recover some of the crud that's in here and sell some of it, it's also more profit for them. Mark, Shauna, back to you.
All right, Fields, thanks.